After School All-Stars Hawaii provides free, comprehensive after-school programs for underserved middle school youth from grades 6 through 8.
My wife and I work, so we needed something for him after school. And luckily there was the After School All-Stars offering their program. So we signed him up. From there, it just took off.
We provide a homework hour at the beginning of the program where we help students with homework support and tutoring.
A challenging time was maybe this year in math. I really didn't understand it, but Mr. Min, Mr. Aiden, and Mr. K actually helped me pass that test, and now I have an A.
For the next 2 hours, we offer a variety of sports and enrichment programs. It's fun. There's arts and crafts, cooking, robotics, STEM. They play various board games, including esports, and those are just a few examples.
Coming out of COVID, a lot of these kids, they spend a lot of time inside. We're trying to encourage getting outside more, participating in sports, being able to develop not only physically but also socially, being able to work as a team, being able to communicate effectively with teammates. And so that's really what we hope and what we strive to do with our athletic league.
After School All-Stars is the reason why I even got into sports. It got me to love volleyball, love basketball, and then it's also the reason why I'm so passionate in dance.
What I like about After School All-Stars is that it gives us an opportunity to experience different classes like cooking, archery, and all that. I cook breakfast, lunch, dinner at home over the weekends.
Musical lets me expand on what actions I want to do and when. I find that it helps with my reaction, my dexterity, and how I see myself as a person.
He didn't tell us anything. Next thing you know, we look and he's walking up on the stage. So we're like, what is he doing? Then next thing you know, he started singing. And yeah, we're just totally blown away. It's a credit to the staff here and how encouraging they are.
We have a youth advisory board, and we like to call them Yabbies. They are a student leadership group comprised of students from every ASAS program. Yabbies work with each other, and they come up with community service projects for their school to get other students involved. All of these teaching moments are ways for them to develop and to grow their leadership skills.
The biggest thing I've learned about myself is I am able to do more than what I am supposed to do. Like public speaking, I normally go to these robot competitions and I use my public speaking skills there. Introducing my project, showing them what's going on with the project, how to program it and all that.
Dancing I think I couldn't do, but then that helped me grow throughout the years I've been in that dance class, and I actually just became the 8th grade main.
I see surveys from parents where, oh, my son was very shy and this program helped him to come out of his shell, help them build their confidence, help them figure out that, hey, I can learn something new. All they need is someone to show them the way.
I can't believe it's free. But we've had other programs where we went to that we pay, and we feel this one offers so much more.
They helped people evolve more to be more confident, be more courageous, just show that they can really do things that they think they can't.
The life lesson that I learned is that I wouldn't really be alone in All-Stars because there's peers that care about me and there's students who want to know about me or want to be my friend.
Without this program, I do not know where I would be. It had such a big impact in my life, which is why I came back, because I wanted to give that impact back to the kids that are in our program.
As a parent, when you drop them off at a program, you want to know that they're safe and they're having fun. So then we can focus on work, and then that's how we feel. So we're very comfortable with them coming here. And yeah, it's been great. Great.
Well, it's a really good opportunity to meet people and just have fun.